to another Thoughts on Tech video. This time comparing the electronic image stabilization on the GoPro Hero 9 Black and the Insta360 1R with a 1-inch module. Both cameras were recording 5K video while mounted on the handlebar of an electric scooter. First, you see the unstabilized images from both cameras. Now the stabilized videos. To shoot 5K on the Insta360 you must be in the Pro mode. The stabilization is processed in the app after you export the video to your phone or computer. On the GoPro, the videos come stabilized right out of the camera. I think it is fair to say that the GoPro takes the lead when it comes to image stabilization.